Today's editorial is Let Good News on COVID Stay Good. What is good news? Good news here is the findings of a mathematical modeling that forecasts the course of pandemic in India by top scientists of India. And we know a mathematical modeling is as good as data set it uses and assumptions it makes. One of the assumptions in this mathematical modeling is maintaining current restrictions. So whatever precautions we are taking till now, we will have to carry it onwards also. In that condition only, this prediction will, this forecast will hold good. Against this background, let us read and analyze the editorial. Festive cheer should not reverse trend. The assessment by a group of top scientists that the COVID pandemic had peaked in India in September and that it can be controlled by February next year is good news. But it is no license to dump precautions such as wearing a mask, social distancing, and regular hand washing because the modeling is based on the assumption that current precaution must be maintained. Health Minister Harshvardhan's warning that reckless disregard of the safe behavior norms could set the country back must be taken seriously to prevent a setback on the pandemic and economic fronts. We have dual task: prevent pandemic and to give momentum to economic activities. India's festival season begins this week. Experts advise against public gatherings, although these are the heart and soul of festivals. With winter setting in and pollution levels rising in parts of the country, particularly in North India, there are concerns about a possible resurgence of cases. While India as a whole might have seen a peak, some parts of the country are still dealing with a concentration of cases and likely to be experiencing community transmission. This is not the time to throw cautions to the winds, but to build on the gains and rebuild the economy. The task today's task is to build on the gains and rebuild the economy. The success in slowing down the pace of infections and positive developments on the vaccine front mean that the government should now begin setting up a distribution network for the vaccine to be delivered to even the remotest outpost. Now the focus shifts towards vaccination. How to deliver these vaccine to the remotest part of the nation. Modeling the distribution network on the election polling booth model is one that has been suggested by experts. The logistics entail syringes, biomedical waste disposal, and refrigeration at the appropriate temperature, significantly below 0 degree for all save one of the likely vaccine candidates. Most of the vaccine candidates will need sub-zero temperature. There is also a need to ensure availability of the requisite medical personnel to administer the vaccine. News that India has peaked its COVID cases is a moment to savor. News that India has peaked its COVID cases is a moment to relish, is a moment to delight, but it is a moment to double down on safe behavior. But it is a moment to double down on safe behavior. We have to take extra precaution, not to throw caution to the winds and carouse away long suffering gains on a few days of festive merrymaking. Carouse means revel. Gods and goddesses will understand a little restraint during a pandemic. The humans are the ones about whom we have to worry. Forecast based on this mathematical model by scientists may or may not hold true, but precaution will definitely help a lot, and it is the need of the hour. As we have seen, this pandemic has made a lasting impression on our economy, on our health, so it is important to be safe.